This is Jeff Kale with the Michael Tridhart Web Design Team, and we are excited to announce that our recruiting websites for Keller Williams agents now connect directly to Command. I'm going to walk you through that process. It's pretty straightforward. First thing you need to do is go to the front end of your website and create a lead. Let's go ahead and submit the lead, and that is step one. Step two, you're going to go to the back end of your website, and if you look just under quick links, request API key. Just go ahead and fill in your name and your email address. Click Get API Key. Now, you're going to wait no longer than 24 hours and you'll receive an API key. Keep that secret. You don't want to share that with anyone. That is your secret key to connect your website to KW Command. In the next step, you're going to go to Zapier or Zapier.com, create a free account, click Make a Zap, and you're going to search for formidable forms. Click New Entry, click Save and Continue, and this is actually the form on your website. By the way, when you see all of this here, you're not going to have that. You're not going to have anything here at all. Okay, it's just because I've done this a whole bunch of times. We're going to click Connect to an Account, and this is where we're going to put in our secret API key and our website URL. Now, when you put in your URL, make sure to use all lowercase, and you must have the trailing slash. If you don't, it won't work. Okay, click Yes, Continue. We're going to click Test. That's optional. Just want to be sure that it's all connected. Now we're going to click Save and Continue. And in this drop down, we're looking for Get Started Today, because that's the name of the form on your website. Click Continue. And we're going to go ahead and pull in samples. Remember, we entered the information on the front end of our website. That's just going to take a moment, and it'll pull them right in. Okay, so it pulled in the sample. We can go ahead and click, and here's all the sample information. Click Continue. And now we're going to go to the last step. Click Add Zap. And then we're going to type Keller Williams. So it brings up KW Command Connector. Click Save and Continue. And again, you're not going to see any of this. We're going to go connect to an account. And we're going to enter our KW login information. Click Yes, Continue. And that's going to authenticate with Command. You can click Test. Success. Click Save and Continue. Okay, now we're going to set up our form. Under Data Source, we're going to look for Other. First name. Last name. Pretty much you're going to match everything up here. Email. We're going to select mobile for the phone number. Address. Now this one is not what you think. Okay, here we're going to look for refer. Okay, and so we're using this field to give you a clue that the lead came in from your recruiting website. And then buyer seller, we're just going to skip that one. Click Continue. And send test to KW Command. A test lead was sent. Click Finish. We're going to name our Zap. Name it whatever you want, and then make sure and turn your Zap on. And that is pretty much it. Now we're going to verify the information in our KW Command console. We go into Command. First of all, make sure that you click Leads. If you click Contacts, it's not going to be there. It's going to be in Leads. And if we look, it's going to be right there. That's pretty much it. We hope this video has helped you, and make it a great day. Thank you.